Hi guys, a quick thing I wanted to show you today is I was the other day in an Ikea store here in Germany, and I found in the retail section at the exit of the store that you can buy a box with bits you can choose yourself for €1. You get what you can put in these boxes, and I think it's quite nice to fill your bits box. I took some of these. This could maybe be some pistons. I always tried to get an even amount of these, so you could then easy use in your builds, like this. Maybe you could do some antenna or something like that, or these pieces maybe for a drill in an industrial build. And I found these caps, and this thing maybe for an engine or something like that. You could even pull it apart and use it separately. But as I said, I always tried to get an even amount of these. And I think this caps, maybe for some drainage or something like that. Yes, you could even stack these together. Get you some builds. This. And these things. And this. And I just wanted you to know, just for €1 it's a fair price to get a lot of bits you could use in your builds. And I will make a video where I'm going to use these. Bye!